Enjoying spring here in Alberta.
Yo, what's up, YouTube?
We're going to this canyon now, descending down to Prairie Mountain.
Oh, look at that balance. We're really doing it, Harry. We're really doing it.
Don't damage the nature.
Probably filled with rats.
Oh. Oh my God, how pretty. So this is where... First Chapelle. And we're just taking our time because it's just so awesome here, man.
And I was rappelling first.
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Now we're bushwhacking out of here. The forest is so dry, so peaceful. Bears must be out already.